Hi, this is Becca Taylor from masterprocrastinator.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can load an SVG image into the Design Space app from a zip file on your iPad. Because of the way the iPad works, it's not always intuitive how you can download a file and use it in an app on the device. So I'm going to walk you through each of the steps. Before we get started though, it's a good idea to go ahead and install the Unzip app if you're going to follow along with me. Uh, I don't have any personal stake in the Unzip app. It's just the one I've chosen to use. There are plenty of other options for apps in the iTunes store that will decompress compressed files. So you can choose whatever you want. Again, this is just the one I've chosen, so I don't know how the others work. Also, for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm using the Cute Creatures bundle from craftbundles.com. These graphics bundles are a great way to build your library of both fonts and images, and they're always a great deal. So I would definitely recommend that you check them out. So the first step in this process is to access the file so that we can unzip it. So since this is a graphics bundle that I'm downloading from a website, I go to the download page on that website and I tap on the download icon. That opens in a browser, of course, and so what's happening now is your browser will spend a few seconds downloading the file, and it could take longer if it's a larger file. When you see this screen, you can just tap on the Open in Unzip option, and what that does is open up the Unzip app, where you will see the file that you're trying to decompress. And so you can just tap on that file name and it will unzip that file and display the folder that is now accessible to you. And that's all you need to do right now in the Unzip app. We need to switch over to the Design Space app now in order to pull that file from Unzip into the Design Space design environment. So go ahead and open Design Space and tap Upload in the lower left and choose Browse Files. For location, select On My iPad, and you should see Unzip app folder there. And what that does is that shows you everything that is in your Unzip app. And you'll see then the graphics bundle file that we have unzipped, and you can navigate to the file that you want. In this case, I'm looking for the Sloth On branch, and I just select the SVG option. There's a wizard that will walk you through naming the file, so go ahead and do that as well. And then it displays the Design Space file browser, where you can select the image that you want and then go to the lower right-hand side and tap Insert, and it puts it onto your Design Space canvas. And now that the image is on your canvas, you can manipulate it and change it and add fonts and do whatever you want to get to your final design. And I'm just going to show you what I did with this image. I added some text and I used iron-on vinyl and made this little onesie for my niece. So I hope this has been helpful so that you can learn how to upload an SVG file into your Design Space app. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and happy crafting.